Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid brand dishwasher and you're getting a 6-1 error code on it, or if on a digital display. If you don't have the digital display, then the lights will blink on it and you'll get, it'll give you 6 blinks and then a 2-second pause and then 1 blink. And that's how it kind of creates that 6-1 without the digital display. And all this 6-1 error is that when you go to start a cycle on the dishwasher, it tries to fill up with water, and it gives itself a certain amount of time to fill up with water, and if it doesn't fill up with water, then it will give you this error. And so what you need to do to make sure you're not getting this error is just to make sure you're getting water to your dishwasher. And the number one reason that's going to be happening is something with the water by the valve. So you're going to want to check where you've hooked up your dishwasher to the actual faucet, to the valve. Just make sure that valve is all the way to the left, all the way open, all the way counterclockwise. And then you want to inspect the hose, the line, the water line that goes to the back of the dishwasher. And make sure it's not bent or kinked or smashed or pinched or anything like that. That would prevent water from flowing through it. You know, even sometimes you push the dishwasher up against the wall and it pinches the hose and then water can't get into it. Another thing is to disconnect the hose in the back. There's a screen, a debris screen in it. And if that gets clogged up, then water won't be able to flow through. So anyways, if you go through those things, you should be able to figure out why water's not getting into the dishwasher, get water going in, and get things working. So hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.